Yes, indeed, una carnita asada al comal. This is carne asada on my griddle, on my stove. Got some bell peppers, some onions. Esta es cecina. It is a type of cut called cecina. Mexican cut that is cut real thin and salted. It is beef. Real thin cut beef, then salted. They keep it behind the butcher shop or at the butcher shop behind the glass, stacked up high at the Mexican store. So, God bless me and my family. I went and bought 2 pounds of cecina, which we all love. So, very simple. Carne asada de cecina with onions and bell peppers.